Good morning, Schmickle fam. How you doing? Let's start out this day by saying fuck crypto. Fuck crypto from the bottom of my heart. Oh my goodness. You can wake up and you might be up. 2 minutes later, you go doom scroll on TikTok. Boom, your portfolio tanks 700K. Oh my gosh, I'm so over crypto. Get me out of here. Can we start this altcoin season? All right, enough of the bitching. I'm not gonna let this room today. I'm not gonna do it. I was about to not vlog today. I was that pissed. But anyways, let's get a donut with the fiance. Let's get a coffee, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's just vlog it. There's no plan, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we went to Chirac. We got Spunky Dunkers. You want to show what you got?
I got the apple one.
Uh-oh. We got the apple. Good. How is it? It's good. Let's see it. Where is it? And I got the toasted coconut, and I got Dunkin'. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I'm gonna shit myself.
I hope not.
Do you guys also are awkward as fuck at the checkout register when the person says enjoy, and then you flip out and say yeah, you too?
No, she said you're all set, and you said you too.
Oh. Yeah, she's also sad, so yeah, awkward. I don't like those moments, but you know what? We live on.
It's not that bad.
What would you rate your donut?
It's really good.
Really good out of 10?
9.5.
9.5. That's one of the highest scores we had on this channel so far.
I don't
Wow.
think this is a donut though. Do you want to try it? It tastes kind of like the.
I'm good. I had two already, so. Oh, wow. Alright, guys. We don't know what's gonna happen after, so stay tuned. Alright, guys. We arrived to the promised land. The Dicks. Let's go see some stuff. The only place that sells it on here. Damn, they're jamming out here. Alright. Damn, they have so many premium pickleballs. $100. Damn, that's crazy. Should I represent Chirac? What should I get?
Nothing.
What do you mean? I have to represent somehow.
None of it is cute.
I need to get a Blackhawks hat.
For what? You have one.
Because I have to represent. No, I don't. Should I get a Northwestern hat?
No,
Why not?
it's not as cool.
Just because I'm a dropout, I can't wear it. Holy crap, we found Jordan. Is this Jordan?
No.
Oh. Why is he green? Soccer is the real sport. Ronaldo 100. Dude, that's crazy. Soccer has to be the biggest sport. And the best to watch. Popular opinion. Dude, I used to be so into soccer my whole life. I played soccer. What happened? Babe, should I start playing soccer again?
No.
No?
You're gonna get hurt. You already hurt
But
me.
it's a vibe.
Do you remember when you hurt me?
These jerseys are so cool. Alright, let's keep looking. They have a Messi Stanley. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting this. I need this small ball
What
for
is
the
this
FIFA.
one?
Oof. I need it in my life. What else do they have?
Arsenal.
Arsenal Stanley collab? That's pretty cool.
The little baby.
Alright, we got a not Jabulani, oh my gosh, I wish. I had a Jabulani in Poland like from 2010. That was the best year of soccer. When Messi was young, when Ronaldo was young, when Neymar still didn't fumble himself. Those were the good days. Who remembers those? Leave it in the comments. Are you a soccer fan? Anyways, had to get a small ball. I thought it was 22. It was 15 schmickles. That's like free. Alright guys, now we're gonna go to probably the mall. Alright, we're at the Beverly Hills Center. This is so cool.
There's a thing. Look.
Oh yeah, they have Labubus on the bottom.
So.
Beverly Hills is amazing.
It's really cold.
Alright, let's go shopping. And this place has monchichis. What is this? Let's see it. Alright, just came back from the Beverly Center. Look what we bought! Hats! Couldn't decide on which color, so we got both of them. Gotta represent Beverly Hills. We got a gray one. Let me know in the comments which one I look better in. Gray. Looking kind of spiffy. That's even a word. White. Or actually it's a cream, like grayish cream. Ooh, different style. Gotta brand this shit. It's not bad, not bad. On a sunny morning day, could wear one. Alright guys, we're hungry. We're gonna get Cane's now. Alright, we got Cane's. We're eating in the car because we're antisocial. Double toast. And it's not even my birthday. Get it, toast. Okay. Alright, we're waiting in a Costco line. We're getting gas. And afterwards, who knows?
We're going to the pet.
I'm taking her to the aquarium.
Huh? What?
Little bird.
Look at this one.
I took you to the aquarium.
This aquarium's kind of dirty.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
This one's pretty. Hello. He wants to say hi.
It does. Here's our aquarium. Look, little Nemo's. How do you know?
It's like when they like swim funny, their backs are like. That look. I like that one. We had that one in it.